What up YouTube, this is Arod and I'm back with a slime green transformation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh wait. Let me bring it from the top. Let's go. Today I'm gonna be doing a crop haircut on our friend Crispy Genie, a barber straight from Philadelphia, and today we're here for the launch of the lime green Arod gloves. If you want to prevent all these hair splinters, make sure you use the glove. If you want to prevent any chemical reaction, make sure you use your gloves. If you want to prevent any hair color stains on your hands, make sure you use the gloves. If you want to have some fun at work and come in matching with your gloves, make sure you get the gloves. Available in 5 different colors: black, red, pink, blue, and now the all new lime green. Available at www.elegancegel.com and all Cosmoprof beauty locations nationwide. Arod signature sold separately. Thank you to all my YouTube subscribers. Thank you YouTube family. Now, if you're not subscribed and you want to be subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you ring the bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. So we are done sectioning, bleaching the top. Now it looks like the inside of a banana, so it's slime time. We're using a green slime color that is gonna give that green that we're looking for to match my sweater, to match my gloves. You know, this is so much fun. I enjoy doing this all day, all day, all day, all day, all day, all day. If you're a barber or a cosmetologist and you have colored somebody else's hair green before or any other color, make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know all the details on that. I would like to know. And what color would you like to see next? With the tag team, we got Mr. Los Cuttes, straight from the Chicago, Illinois. To follow Los Cuttes or Crispy Genie, make sure you go to the description of this video, and I'm gonna link all their information down below. So we got to the end of the haircut, and this is the final results. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think of this haircut? What you should have done different? What color you should have done? And let me know, what do you think? This is Arod A Millie. Thank you, Los Cuttes. Thank you, Crispy Genie. Thank you to my YouTube family and all my subscribers. This is Arod A Millie. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video, people.